Hello everyone, I'm Prince Ajaduwale, an MMM prophetic guider. By 2017 is 08-18-12 and Circle 6. What is MMM? MMM is not a bank. MMM is not an online business. MMM does not collect your money. MMM is a community where people help one another. You should take that. MMM give financial freedom to people to be independent. Please note that also. MMM give you a platform which help millions of participants across the world to connect those who need help with those who are willing to provide that same help, and that is MMM. So the brief history of MMM, we have a person called Sergio Mafrodi. He is the founder, the leader of MMM, which is the social financial community. And number two, which you have to know as well as the history is concerned, the history of MMM began in 1989. Then in Moscow, a cooperative register was registered rather. So in 1992, MMM was registered as a joint stock company, and in February 1994, it begins to sell shares. MMM give 100% using central accounts. I should note that also. So government and bank intervention kick against MMM operation in 1994 when MMM operates using a central account. Then MMM received in 2011 in a new dimension which kept the money on the participants' accounts directly and gave 30% reward. So MMM as a global exchange was also established in 2014. Until today, MMM is spreading across the globe. I think that's the brief history of MMM. Then MMM ideology. Here, we need to understand the model the way the world is operating is bad. So it is inhuman, it is not fair, it is unjust, it is the poor that is working for the rich, which is not supposed to be. So ordinarily people are just serving them as an attendant. So rich people versus poor people. The rich become richer, where the poor become poorer. So the question are, what lies behind the social welfare? But why does the bankers live better than the workers? Which is not supposed to be. Why does web quarter live better than those who do the hard work? And the fourth question which we should ask ourselves is, how does banker deceive people rather? How does banker deceive people? So MM ideology, and that is all about that. And the answer to those questions which we have read earlier, which we have mentioned, the answer to those questions are, this question is that people that are closer to the money have access to it and withdraw rather money the way they like not to. Only the federal government should be also be a banker. Number two, the alternative to the above unjust financial word MMM is MMM. So the alternative way in order to eradicate the unjust issue is MMM. And the third one, MMM is a fair financial community that was developed by Sergio Mafrodi, which is the leader which I mentioned earlier, helps to fight the unfair financial system. The aim of MMM is to demolish unfair world and to achieve financial freedom. MMM is a community of people providing help for each other. I think I've mentioned that earlier on. In MMM, you don't need to have a contract or pledge your property. You don't need to do that. Please note that. There are no lender or debtors. There's nothing like that in MMM. So another thing you have to note is that MMM ideology are very, very simple. You provide financial assistance when you are able to provide it, and you get financial assistance when you need it at when due. So the last thing which you have to know at this aspect is MMM participants give up by transferring money to each other directly. Please underline that, directly. So there is no central account. Transfer the money directly. So the rule of MMM now. In MMM, multiple accounts are prohibited. It's not allowed. Please note that. We must not cheat the system by making domain account, which means when you provide help on accounts, you GH, you have to re-PH on that account. So that is how that works. Another thing is that all the participants should be more conscious and be obedient enough to obey the MMM ideology, which is helping each other, as we have read earlier. Another thing is that MMM ideology also states that the participants should participate only with their spare money. I underline that and I repeat that, only with their spare money. So those are the rules of MMM. Benefit of MMM. At this category, we have to note that before you can benefit, you have to participate by registering on the website, which is, I'm in Nigeria now, so you have to register with your country's website. My own is www.mmm-mmm.net. So you register on that, www.nigeria-mmm.net. That is how you register. And another benefit from MMM is that we are required to input your name at the point of registration, your email, your phone number, password. Invite, for example, the person that referred you, you have to input the email of your guider, and you choose the person that referred you. Then you submit after you might have filled the necessary information. Now you can benefit. How can you benefit? You log into your personal office, which is PO. You set up your account by input your bank details and others. So on your PO, you will see two big button, which is provide help and get help. So you provide the help by clicking on provide help. You state the amount you want to put, and that is how it's done. Thank you very much.